The Zix 3D printer just got even better. First off, we have a new software update that has many nice features. To mention a few examples, we have improved the print and surface quality. We also have time left and time elapsed showing on the display. The Zix 3D printer also has a new hardware upgrade, the filament monitor. Anyone that has used a desktop 3D printer knows that there is usually no way to detect that you are out of material. We have solved this problem. When the light is on, the printer knows the material is feeding into the machine as it should. When the light goes off, the printer has detected a problem and will automatically pause the current project. If you're out of material, this will allow you to remove the empty roll and load a new one. The material could also be stuck or deformed, something easy to fix while the printer is in pause. If you have fixed the issue, the printer is ready to go. All you have to do is press on pause and the printer will continue exactly where it left off. What this means is you won't lose your model and can feel safe leaving the room. This function will also allow you to safely use up the nearly empty rolls and still have a successful print. In our new software, we have added a new function, failed print detection. This new function is designed to detect extensive curling and warping before it's too late. You can also detect unidentified objects in the build space. This can happen in complex prints that don't have the right printing conditions. Here we have created a scenario with a print doomed to fail. We have designed a tough model and applied no supports, something that was needed. We have also turned off the cooling fan. When the printer has detected the problem, it will enter pause. Now you can try to solve the issue or cancel the print before it has wasted your time and material. It could be as easy as going back and applying supports to later have a successful print. If you order today, you'll receive our new and improved Zix 3D printer. All you Zix users already out there, don't be worried. These upgrades are available to you as well. To find more information, visit us at our website, www.zix3dprinter.com.